Hello friends, this is Sherry. How you doing today? Welcome to my channel and thank you so much for joining me. I'm here to demonstrate this or to unbox this product I received from crestbuyer.com. So I've been demonstrating their products and I will have their website linked below, and they have some beautiful things that you could get for Christmas gifts or gifts for any occasion. But also, so I'll have the website linked. I'll have this link, this product, and I will have, I think I probably have a coupon code for you. So I'll have all that linked below. But I wanted to share this kit with you and show you what I picked out. So it comes in this nice box. It was like in an outer package, and then it was in this Ziploc bag, nice and protected. It comes in this nice box. It's like a box, or almost looks like a book, but it has a little ribbon closure here, which I think is very awesome and pretty. You open it up, and what you have in here is you have everything you need to make wax seals except for the burner. And I like to have a burner in order to keep the it's just fun to have a burner and it makes it easier because you put your, my burner is it out? Oh, it is out. Let me get mine. Yeah, I keep it over there on my desk, but here's my burner. See, and you put the little candle under there, and here's my spoon. See, it does have a wooden handle, and it has this little spot for my spoon to sit, and I can turn on, I can light my candle, and it just, the wax melts right in there, and then I can pour it out here. So that is my little burner. But so this has everything you need except for a burner. The burners come in real handy because you have it all together and have a place to put your spoon. Trying to hold everything in your hands, and you don't burn yourself or melt your table or anything, or catch anything on fire. So these come with their two wrapped tea. This kit comes with the two wrapped tea candles. So those usually last more than, they last me more than one session of, because I only make a few at a time usually, wax seals. And this one comes with a really pretty spoon. See, it's brass. Mine is silver colored, and it has this, mine has this like a plain wood handle, but look at this wood handle that this one came with. It's like got a shape to it, a really pretty, sorry, let me try to hold it in the right spot here. But yeah, it comes with this really pretty shaped handle and a beautiful kind of brassy, or I don't think it's copper, but coppery, but it's more brass type colored spoon. And it has a place for everything here. And then you have this very fancy, beautiful, old, kind of old world looking handle for your wax seal. I mean, your wax stamp here. And this one is a rose. Let me show you up close. It's a rose. And here again is the handle, in case I didn't hold it in the right place. And so the cool thing about these handles is, I don't have my handles out here right now, but this part comes off. It just screws right off, and you can get more on crestbuyer.com. You can get more of these. You can buy just these and use your same handle, and get the other designs that you might want to get at butterfly, or they have all kind of designs, right? So, and then that just goes right back in here. There's a place for everything here. And then the one thing that really attracted me, besides these two fancy handled tools, was these pretty blue, I think this is a glass bottle, but pretty blue wax beads. So these are the little waxes that you put in you melt in your spoon. Isn't that a pretty blue? You melt these in your spoon, and then that's how you make your wax seal. But it's a jar full there. Isn't it cute? And so you can order these things separately, but I just thought, I never ordered a kit from them, and I thought that would be neat to show you one of their kits. So what I'm going to do whatever, I don't remember if it's one or two, I should know by now, but one or two demonstration videos. And what I'm going to do is demonstrate with using just this. I'm going to keep everything looking new here. I'm not going to use any of these wax seals. I'm going to use my own wax seals, but I want to demonstrate the rose. And then I will clean it off, and I will put it back here, and I'm going to do a giveaway. I'm going to give away this little kit here. So if you want to enter to try to win, this would be great to win for yourself or for a gift. And I'm going to keep it looking like new and pristine so that when I send it to you, you can, represent it as a new thing if you want to give it as a gift. So if you want to enter, all you need to do is just be over 18, 18 or over. That's a YouTube rule. And subscribe to my channel, visible subscriber. Comment under this video that you want to enter. And let me know, are you going to use it for a gift or do you want to keep it for yourself? It's okay if you get it for yourself. You know what I mean? It's okay. You don't have to use it for a gift. And so comment and like, and so all three of those. But I'm going to do whatever demonstration videos are required of me too in the next, say, 5 days. and then after that, I'll do the giveaway. So I would like you to do those same things on all three of those videos. Like and comment, and view the video so that I have, lots of views on my craftsbuyer.com videos, right? So, yeah, that's why I picked this out. I had that in mind from the very time I picked it out, that I would like to give away a beautiful kit like this. I've gotten several things from Craftsbuyer and love everything I got. And they've been so generous in letting me demonstrate, and I get these things for free because I'm a demonstrator for them. So why not share the love and pay it forward a little bit and, let someone have this beautiful kit for whatever they want to use it for. So yeah, I'll put all the instructions in the underneath this video. So after I do my last demonstration video, I'll say, I'm going to come back tomorrow or in 2 days or whatever I can do and do the choose the winner. So that's how it's going to work. I'm not going to tell you because I don't know right now when I'm going to do my last video for Craftsbuyer. I need to have the kit here to do everything. So yeah, I'll let you know when the giveaway is, but just, follow the rules and then you could possibly win this beautiful kit. So I hope you enjoyed this kit and my little unboxing here, and that I'm going to do a giveaway. And I've been wanting to do some giveaways, and it's kind of, I did one little giveaway, and I want to do like several little giveaways for my 3,000 subscriber celebration. I don't want to do one big giveaway where one person wins something. I like to really spread it around. You know what I mean? I don't know. That's just me, I guess. I just like to spread around the love to more than one person and share with a lot of people as much as I can. So anyway, that's my plan, and I'm sticking to it. So I'll see y'all next time. I hope you enjoyed, and happy crafting, and have an awesome day. Bye-bye.